Hey everyone, welcome to a new video, and today I wanted to share with you this amazing keyboard that was sent to me by EPOmaker. Thank you guys for reaching out and having me, do a review or unboxing on this amazing keyboard here. And this is the ABM084, the 80% tri-mode RGB hot swap mechanical keyboard. Absolutely love this keyboard. It's by far one of the best that I received, and it feels very good. It has some good weight to it, and I keep forgetting to get this video done. And during the time that I received this product, it was actually not a good time because of all the stuff that was happening with my channel with YouTube. So I do want to apologize to the company that sent me this, EPOmaker. I really am sorry for being so late on this this project, but here I am reviewing this and super stoked on getting it done for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I have for you this amazing keyboard, the ABM084, and this was sent to me by EPOmaker. Thank you guys so much for providing this keyboard, and I actually have been using this for months, and I'm long overdue on this unboxing. And the reason for being so late was when I received it, all that stuff that was happening through YouTube with copyright stuff, it was just not a good time. But here we are doing the full unboxing, even though this keyboard is all used up and a little dirty, because I absolutely love it. I use this all the time at work, and that's the main reason why I use it. It's just so quiet, and it's not too bad. And it's a great size. It's an 80% keyboard, and you can hook it up either a USB Type-C cable or use the USB dongle, which I use all the time. And it's wireless. And I love this volume control here. It makes it look unique. And I've always been a big fan of volume controls because I use a lot of wireless Bluetooth headsets, and this is very convenient. So yeah, it has some good weight to it. And there's two different levels here of height. And these feel excellent. Tri-mode RGB hot swap esports mechanical keyboard. I like how they put the word esports on there. And I'm thinking of switching up my main keyboard that I use at home to one of these, because these are just nice. And I'm always working late night, and now that my office is in the bedroom, my keyboard is a little too loud for my wife, and even though she sleeps through it, I want to make sure she's not bothered by it too much. But anyways, we're gonna go into it here. This is see, I just kind of threw the keyboard in here, but usually the keyboard will arrive in this bag here. And I did leave my USB Type-C cable at work. And here is the manual. And the RGB on this keyboard is not too crazy. It's not too bright. It's very subtle. And you do receive some extra keycaps and a keycap tool. This is pretty cool. So yeah, I wanted to do a regular unboxing instead of all the music and stuff that I usually do on my videos. Yeah, check that out. Now I can finally change some keycaps on here, and oh, that's so cool. I love different colored keycaps and stuff like that. I think it's very, very awesome. And that's it for this box. And now we're going to move on to some modes, some color modes, and sound.